I'm a consultant for climate and sustainability startups. So I run this company called EcoHQ, which is a consulting firm for the climate and sustainability space. And this is the third year I'm attending Climafix. So what you get in this summit is a lot of keynotes and fireside chats and panel discussions from people who have been there and done that in the climate tech ecosystem, which is a very hard to crack ecosystem and it's a very deep tech ecosystem, right? So you learn from the biggies on how they manage to pull through and get to a solution, right? With the right ecosystem, investors, founding team, and customers. And you also get to know about all the cutting edge innovations that are happening in the climate tech industry, and how these solutions are benchmarked against global players, and how much India has caught up and where are the gaps that India has. So if you looked at today's Dr. Ashok Jhunjhunwala's panel, the keynote speaking panel, he was actually talking about where he is benchmarking India in different solutions, let's say in solar energy, or in, let's
Renewable
say,
energy.
circular bioeconomy, right? Or in terms of sustainable mobility. So where do we rank and what we need to do for India's population, and how are we benchmarked against global players, and what kind of dependency we have against global players, and how we need to cut that down and be more self-sustainable. So these are some insights you will not get in any kind of any other kind of summits,
Conferences. Yeah.
conferences. This is a very core climate summit, and they always bring a lot of pedigree level founders and investors and ecosystem players to come and talk about things and give us very filtered insights. So that's why I'm here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I believe that this particular event it has brought together people from industry, people from research, and also people from academia. So this is a good platform for some new investors and startups to look at these new areas where they can invest, for the investor to help and build a scale, and also industry people to guide the new startups. So in a nutshell, if I have to say, I feel that people like me who are looking to get into business would gain immensely from the experience of the startup who have been there already, and also look forward to maybe collaborate with some of the new startups.
So myself, Kirti Vasan, I'm part of Adex Ventures. We are a deep tech focused VC fund. So our fund thesis is that we support startups in deep tech sector. So this event brings together the stakeholders in the ecosystem, especially in the climate tech ecosystem, and this gives kind of a platform, more of a soft approach for the startups to pitch to the investors or to their convenient stakeholders, and also for the corporates and other industries and organizations to give out startups an idea to what they can work on to give out their products. So that's something. And myself, so I take care of looking at startups. So I kind of look forward to the event each year. So this is my second time being part of Climafix.
Lot of information to pick up. My interest here is to see how well industry, investor, and technology converges at this given forum. And the platform it offers for people who think themselves in the technology side of business, people who can work as catalysts, which are the investors, and then industries who will take it to the next level of impact. So that coherence is something that is important to me here. My objective to be here is to try and understand the gap in the process that we just discussed and see what is the best way to bridge these gaps by extending the technology, bringing in investment, or try and bring in hands to impact that we can